Welcome to this 20-minute guided meditation. Open your heart chakra for love and healing. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Settle into a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting with support. Allow your body to fully relax into the surface beneath you. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. And as you exhale through your mouth, release all the tension of the day. With each breath, feel your body becoming heavier, more relaxed. Notice your shoulders dropping, your jaw softening, your eyelids becoming heavy. Bring your awareness to your heart center in the middle of your chest. Place one hand gently over your heart if that feels comfortable. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat, the constant pulse of life within you. This is your sacred heart space where love, compassion, and connection reside. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine any barriers around your heart softening and melting away. Visualize a soft, emerald green light beginning to glow in your heart center. See this light as gentle, warm, and healing, like spring sunlight through new leaves. With each inhalation, this green light grows brighter and more vibrant. With each exhalation, it expands to fill your entire chest cavity. Feel its warmth spreading through your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands. This is the energy of unconditional love, pure, accepting, and healing. Now imagine this green light expanding beyond your physical body. It creates a soft, emerald aura around you, a bubble of loving energy. Within this space, you are safe. You are loved. You are whole. Every cell in your body is bathing in this healing green light. Bring to mind someone you love deeply, a person, a pet, or even a memory. Feel the love you have for them glowing brightly in your heart. Now gently extend that same loving feeling toward yourself. You are equally worthy of this deep, unconditional love. Whisper softly in your mind, "My heart is open to give and receive. I release all past hurts and disappointments. I am worthy of deep, meaningful connections. My heart knows how to heal itself." Now visualize yourself in a beautiful garden at sunrise. The air is fresh and carries the scent of blooming flowers. Morning dew glistens on emerald green leaves around you. You feel completely at peace in this sacred space. In the center of the garden stands an ancient, wise tree. Its trunk is wide and strong, its branches reaching toward the sky. As you approach, you notice the tree emanates the same green light as your heart. Sit comfortably beneath this tree, leaning against its supportive trunk. Feel the tree's roots going deep into the earth, connecting with all life. Similarly, feel your own connection to the earth and all living beings. You are not alone. You are part of the great web of life. Breathe in this feeling of connection. Breathe out separation. Now imagine pink light, the color of compassion, joining the green in your heart. These two colors swirl together, creating the most beautiful healing energy. Green for unconditional love, pink for deep compassion. Together, they create the perfect balance for heart healing. Place your hand over your heart again and feel this combined energy. It's warm, it's pulsating, it's alive with healing potential. Any places in your heart that feel closed or wounded are being gently bathed in this light. Trust your heart's innate wisdom to heal itself. Now bring to mind a situation or relationship that needs healing. See it floating before you, wrapped in this green and pink light. Send loving compassion to this situation without judgment or expectation. Release your need to control the outcome, simply send love. Feel the weight lifting from your heart as you practice this release. You are free to love without holding on to pain. Your heart is becoming lighter, more open, more expansive. Breathe into this new spaciousness within your chest. Whisper these healing affirmations. I forgive myself and others completely. My heart remains open through all experiences. I trust the wisdom of my heart completely. Love flows through me freely and abundantly. Now visualize this green and pink light flowing from your heart in all directions. It reaches across time and space, touching all your relationships. Past, present, and future, all are bathed in this healing light. You are creating new patterns of love and connection. Feel your heart chakra spinning freely, radiating beautiful light. It's like a vibrant spinning flower in the center of your chest. With each rotation, it releases old energy and draws in new loving energy. Your heart knows exactly what to release and what to welcome. Now, in the silence, simply rest in this open-hearted state. No effort needed, just being, just loving, just breathing. Your heart is exactly where it needs to be in this moment. Perfect in its imperfections, beautiful in its journey. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Notice the surface beneath you supporting your weight. Become aware of the room around you, the temperature, the sounds. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back into your body. Take one final deep breath in into your open, loving heart. As you exhale, make a commitment to carry this open-hearted energy into your day. When you're ready, gently blink your eyes open. Remember, your heart remains open, loving, and healed. You are love, you are light, you are peace. Namaste.